Hey, did you know you can make money working from the comfort of your home? Whether you are in your kitchen, your bedroom, or in your living room, you can work online and start making money. Money that can replace your actual income. If you didn't know, now you know. You can use your phone, your laptop, or your desktop plus an internet connection and start working on the internet. And the best way to do it is to be an affiliate for products and services. I've written a new book that walks you step by step through the process. In case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, this is a business model where you don't create your own products and services. You don't have to create anything. But all you do is to promote other people's products and services, and you get paid a commission based on your sales. Walmart, eBay, Best Buy, they all have affiliate programs. But here, I'm not talking about selling physical products, but digital products. Today, I'm giving you the opportunity to get started with affiliate marketing. And I want to give you my new affiliate book for free. All you will need to do is to go in the description of this video. I will leave a link in the description for you that you can click on and enter your email address and download the book for free. I know your time is important, and this book doesn't contain anything that will waste your time. All it does is to walk you step by step through the process to create your affiliate marketing business and make sure that you know where to find all the resources that you need to make this happen. So if you want to start working from home, if you want to start your affiliate marketing business, go down. I will leave in the description a link for you that you can click on and go download that book for free. All you need is your email address and you will have that book in a few seconds. That's my gift for you this year. If you like it, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. That way I will send you a notification every time I go live or I post a new video on this channel. This is VK. I will see you in the lines of my new affiliate book.